to this amazing channel for the very first time, welcome to my returning subscriber. Welcome to another vlog, guys. So apparently you might have seen the title, and I will be vlogging this weekend, or either it is going to be a weekend vlog or a weekly vlog. I don't know yet, but enjoy the vlog. Don't forget to subscribe if you are just tuning into my channel, because you don't want to miss out on the fun. So I have a whole lot of things that will be going on this week. I will be bringing you guys along. I will be cooking, cleaning, and a whole lot of things that I will be taking you guys along with. So you will just see when the vlog begins. Enjoy the vlog, okay guys? So right now I am going out, and I will catch you guys later. Say ciao. Hello, look at big dog. Are you scared? No, you're not scared. B-I-N-G-O. So I came back not quite long. Oh, why is my face dark? Oh no. So guys, I came back not quite long. So I'm outside to pack my clothes. So I prepared this delicious banga soup and stash. The sun has come down a little. I came outside now to pack my clothes outside because there's no longer sun. So it's a little bit cold, but not much. I came back not quite long, and I prepared banga soup and stash. Oh my god, see correct banga soup and stash. Like guys, I'll be craving to eat banga soup and stash. But while coming, I bought some ingredients, so I could not show you guys because I was so hungry and I was so tired. So I just quickly prepared the banga soup and stash. So I will show you guys that now. I prepared it with chicken, I prepared it with fish, meat, shaki. Can you see that pot? Can you see the goodness inside that pot, guys? So yeah, that is what I ate. So I ate stash. Oh my god. So right now I am outside, and I want to pack my clothes inside, and then so guys, I will see you tomorrow.
Settle down in the place of dreams, float away in the scenery. Take a backpack of what you need. Let's explore the world we see. All the dangers have been made up. You believe what they say. Through the heartache, our stargaze. No invasion today. We've come this far to win and ride alone. So take your chances to embrace the waterfall.
I cannot just be working and not play music. Like, it will be so dull for me. When I'm working, I like to play music, and I like to dance as well. When the music is just, you know, if you are from Nigeria, Benin City, Edo State, you will understand that song. Mama Naomi is a popular Christian musician who normally sings Christian music, and her music are so lovely, and like, you cannot just be playing Mama Naomi and not dancing to it. So that song is my dialect, in case you don't understand it, the song said, come and see what God has done for me, from grass to grace, from grass to riches, from nothing. Now I am something. Wadoge, nyokpa iwinosa. Or you know, it is only God that can do this for me. So guys, yeah, it is just a Christian song. I cannot translate, okay? So that was the song that I was dancing to.
Settle down in the place of dreams, float away in the scenery. Take a backpack of what you need. Let's explore the world we see. All the dangers have been made up. You believe what they say. Through the heartache, I will stargaze. No invasion today. We've come this far, doing it right alone. So take your chances to embrace the waterfall.
It is another beautiful day today again. Good evening. How are you guys? So right now I am about to go make rice water. I will bring you guys along. I will show you guys how I make rice water. Rice water is a great water that you can use to grow your hair, maintain your natural hair. I've been on natural hair for a year now. I cut off my hair when I was pregnant, and I've been growing my hair for a year now, and this is the result. Like, my hair has grew so long, and like as you can see guys, I just lose this part so that I will show you guys how soft, shiny and moisturized my hair is. So I'll be making rice water. Rice water is one thing that have helped me in growing my hair. So I've been also making my own natural home products, which is butter, hair food butter, hair growth oil. I've been making all of these things myself, and also using natural home things that you can find in your kitchen to grow your hair, such as onions, ginger, and so many things, so many natural things that you cannot even imagine to grow your hair, which is not even expensive. I've been using all of these things to grow my hair, and it is so healthy, soft, and long than the way it used to be before. So I used to think that black people or Africans cannot grow long hair, but since I stopped incorporating chemicals like relaxers, like I've stopped using relaxer, since I cut off my hair, I stopped using relaxer, I stopped using chemical, I stopped using harsh products. I do make my own natural products at home to grow my hair and that of my daughter hair. So I will bring you guys along the way I will make this rice water. It is so simple to make. So after making the rice water, I am going to leave it for a week or two to ferment, and then I will use it to wash my hair. So rice water will make your hair grow longer, stronger. It will make your hair darker. So Obi bought me this extension. I will be making my hair either a knotless braid or a boss braid. I don't know which style to make. Obi bought me this expression. Yes, in color 1. He bought 3 of these, which I will be using to make my hair. So yes, I will be making a knotless braid or a boss braid. I will take you guys along, but it will not be in this vlog. It will be in another vlog. So I will just make the rice water now and show you guys. So guys, this is my rice. I'm about to prepare rice, so I'm going to be using the water of the rice. So you have to rinse your rice first to remove dirty or any impurities. So I will be using, there are different methods of preparing rice water, and I'm going to be showing you guys one of the Yao women method. The Yao women of China is known to use rice water to grow their hair, even Asian women and other parts of the world. So they use rice water in growing their hair. So you have to remove the water first and then add in enough water that will be okay for you, depending on the amount that you want to use and depending on the quantity of the rice. So I just add a little water and then I'm squeezing the rice. So you have to squeeze it very well with your two hands or your one hand, just to get that juice out of the rice. Okay, you need that milky water, okay, because it is that water that you need. So you have to squeeze it very, very well. So after squeezing it, you then pour it into a pot, because I am going to be boiling the water. Normally orange peel is to be added, but I don't have orange peel. I ate my orange, so I don't know, I forgot. So you have to add orange peel. If this is your first time making it or you are not used to the smell, you have to add orange peel because it is going to reduce the smell. So if you have orange peel or tangerine peel, I will leave it on the screen so you guys can see. I don't have it. So after the water has boiled, you then put it on a jar for it to ferment for a week. So you add in your orange peel, you put it on a glass jar. This is my glass jar that I'll be using, and then you store it in a safe place for a week, okay? And then your rice water is ready. Guys, this is the rice water that I made. Hope you guys saw that it was so simple. And yeah, this is it. I'm going to keep it in a cool place for it to ferment for at least a week or two, but I'm going to leave it for a week to ferment because I'll be making another vlog so that it will not be too long. And also, yes, this is it. I'm going to keep it in a cool place for it to ferment. So this is how it is looking right now. This is my rice water. Rice water is so good, guys. Trust me. If you are not using rice water, use it once in a I do use it twice a month or 3 times a month. So you can use it once a month or twice a month. So guys, yeah, rice water has really helped my hair a lot. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up the video. Share out the video if you can. I am going to be ending this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog. Thank you all so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate. If you have not yet subscribed, subscribe, okay, so that you will not miss out when I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much, and see you guys on my next video. Bye.